If you held Shopify Inc. last week, your $100 is now worth $125. We're breaking down last week's 5 biggest movers, what actually happened, why it happened, and what you need to watch when the bell rings Monday. Let's go. Everyone who wrote this stock off just did a double take. Number 1, Shopify Inc. and ticker SHOP. Up 25.3% this week, closing at $151.57. Shopify caught a monster bid after earnings absolutely torched expectations and growth bets roared back to life. The market is tripping over itself to price in higher future sales and margin improvement, but after a run this vertical profit-taking or a sell-the-news moment can't be ruled out. Monday's open will be all about whether buyers have any juice left or if things cool off fast. Watch how it handles early volatility and any analyst upgrades trickling in. This move caught the whole market off guard, and it may not be over. Number 2, Oracle Corporation. Ticker ORCL. Up 13.0% this week, closing at $147.02. Oracle isn't usually the name people expect to torch the leaderboard, but here we are. Strong enterprise demand in the cloud and upbeat guidance made value investors suddenly look like geniuses. The question now, does this rally have real legs, or was it just a reaction to a good news cycle? Analysts will be watching Monday's open for confirmation and any hint of profit-taking. All eyes are glued to this one. Miss the next move at your own risk. Number 3, NVIDIA Corporation. Ticker NVDA. Up to 12.9% this week, closing at $223.96. NVIDIA only knows how to do headlines in all caps. A blowout week on AI optimism and new product chatter sent the stock into orbit yet again. This price action is fueled by both actual earnings and a fresh round of AI fever. But as always, sky-high expectations make every Monday a potential reality check. Watch for any whiff of rotation or sector cooling to see if the parade continues. Monday's open will be important for anyone trading momentum. Every big fund is quietly recalculating after this rip. Number 4, Microsoft Corporation. Ticker MSFT. Up 11.1% this week, closing at $499.99. Microsoft didn't just move. It turbocharged the entire market with massive cloud numbers and some AI sauce for good measure. Investors are betting this is still the king of broad tech leadership, but after a move like this, even the best sometimes need to breathe. Eyes will be on any hints of exhaustion at Monday's open and whether buyers keep pushing. Big funds may try to rebalance, so watch for a noisy start to the week. This one just broke out, and the charts are suddenly interesting. Number 5, Qualcomm Incorporated. Ticker QCOM. Up 9.7% this week, closing at $167.86. Qualcomm quietly ripped higher thanks to some positive chip sector news and an upbeat read on smartphone demand. It wasn't all hype. Legit buyers seem interested, but after nearly 10% in a week, the party could pause on profit-taking or sector jitters. The $170 zone looks interesting as a battleground. Watch early trading for signs of follow-through or if the move fizzles out. That's your week in stocks. You're now more prepared for Monday than 99% of retail investors, which honestly isn't hard, but still. Subscribe so you never walk into a market week blind, and remember, this is for entertainment only, not financial advice. Do your own research.